Hey darlings, and welcome back to Everything Tumbler Tutorials with Creative Vinyl Designs. I am super excited. I am so excited. Okay, so I literally just posted this mosaic design. This was done with alcohol inks from Michaels, and then the glitter, of course, I did with the double-sided tape. And you can get this in various sizes. It comes in like a bundle on Amazon. I will have the link down below. Also, my tumblers come from Marshall's Made Tumblers and Tumblers and More. I always get tongue twisted on that, but I will have the link down below, and I think it's the first link in my description for his tumblers. Phenomenal. So what we're going to do today is I've already taped this off since I literally just did that blue one in alcohol inks. I went ahead and taped this off so I didn't have to fast forward and bore you with that. But this time we're going to spray this with a spray adhesive, and we're going to use all... Okay, I'm going to try to use all of these colors from the Glitter Sister. And we have Flamingo, Pink Panther, what is that? Oh, Bubble Clouds, and Berry Blast. And then I want to use the Mermaid Magic for my lines to just kind of tie everything together. I am hopeful I can use all four of these pinks, but I don't know yet if I'm going to be able to. But I am certainly going to try. Maybe an ombre or just a here or there. I'm not exactly sure. We're just going to kind of wing it. I want you to know, as you can see, I've already taped the cup off. And I've already sliced in between where they meet, because I've kind of come into a pickle a couple of times where I'm trying to pull and then I forgot, oopsies, I didn't cut. So try to remember to cut before you start. Also, I'm not so sure how this is going to work. Could be a trial and error because I'm going to use the Gorilla Spray, which I've had numerous questions about this. I am not going to Mod Podge this. There's no way. I'm actually just going to hit it with the Gorilla Spray, and or you can use Loctite adhesive spray. Either one will get the job done. I've had many questions about them, so I just want to show you guys either one of these spray adhesives will work. Now, the question is these colors. So when I spray this entire tumbler with my Gorilla Glue and or my Loctite, I'm not exactly sure. I think I'm going to go with Loctite. I'm hopeful after the whole thing is sprayed, as you can see, my double-sided tape is also going to be sprayed. So I'm hopeful that when I pull one, that I can pull several. Okay, so with that said, I'll be right back. I'm going to go spray this so we can get ready to glitter. Okay, so, all right, I don't know which color to go with first, but I'm really liking the Berry Blast, so I think I'm just gonna, oh, how am I gonna do this? Because I don't know if I want to go in particular sections or if I just want to attempt to ombre it. Let's see. I don't know, I might scratch the lightest colors, so why don't we start with, we're going to start with the Berry Blast. All right. Let's just see how much room we have as we do this. So if I can get an ombre effect, awesome. If not, that's okay too. Because you know what? At the end of the day, it really doesn't matter as long as you like the cup. And hopefully I got enough spray on here. I'd hate to have to respray this bad boy. Okay. See? Oh, it looks like I might have to because right there is oddly gappy. But that's okay. With Loctite, you can easily, this particular method, we can easily go back over it. Not a big deal at all. So I think I'm going to go in with Flamingo, which looks really pretty. So as you know, wherever the glitter is already stuck, this is not going to stick, if that makes sense. Sounds funny, but You don't have to worry about that being an issue at all. And if we do have to go over it, again, not a big deal. And this is super light. Good thing I painted my cup pink because look how light the flamingo is. It's super, super, super light. Just blowing off any of my excess. And let's go for the next color, which is going to be Pink Panther. Let's see how this goes. I guess I should have opened this up like wide open and just let it go, but I kind of want to have a little bit more control. I don't want it towards the top if I can help it. But yeah, this definitely looks like it's going to need another coat, even though I painted the cup pink. They're just so light, but they're so pretty. And that's okay if we have to go over it again. No big, look at that, no big deal. That is definitely the darkest color, so I'm hoping that that continues to jive with the rest of the theme. But the colors together are just so pretty. So I saved room at the very, very top, so we are gonna go ahead. Wait a minute, how do I, oh, I grabbed the wrong one, silly me. We're gonna go in with the Bubbalicious. Well, I called it something wrong earlier. I don't know what I even called it, but that was not correct. That's all right, we got it. So pretty. So here's the opportunity that I have now because I did a Loctite and I used double-sided tape. I have the perfect opportunity to go back out and spray this to where now I already have my colors. I have the Berry Blast, we have Pink Panther, we have Flamingo, and we have Bubbalicious. So now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna give this another spray really quickly, and now that I have my guides, I'm gonna be a little more focused on trying to tighten up my ombre. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, so we're gonna go back in now. Let's see if I get my color straight. Berry Blast, which was the first one. Okay, this time I think, well, first of all, I want to get my bottom. I don't want to forget about that. And I have tape down there just a little bit. So if I have to Mod Podge the bottom, I will, but it'll only be a little bit. So this time I'm going to try to come up super, super high, just so that it falls wherever it may to help give me a much better blend. So just try to stay up super, super high. Okay, so I want just a little bit of this color because it's super dark. Okay, so let's see, what was our next color? Flamingo. Yes. Flamingo was our next color. Okay. Once again, I'm going to come up super, super high. I'm going to try to keep my cup at an angle while I'm doing it, just to keep it like to go towards the bottom. And just keep popping it until you think you're satisfied. Yeah, I'm liking that. All right, let's move this over. Let me pop that really quick. And we're going to come back in with the Flamingo. Same exact technique. I want to kind of stay angling downward. And I'm sorry, I really hope I'm keeping this in cam so you guys can see this. So if you see any blank spaces, go ahead and try to get up in there. That definitely helps blend them together because these colors are so close. Okay, so we're back, and I decided that it would probably be a very, very good idea if I sealed this first before peeling my double-sided tape back and adding back the Mermaid Magic. So with that being said, let's start peeling. Okay, darlings, I have all of our white pieces peeled. So a couple of sections, well, one that I know for a fact right here did not want to stick. So I'm going to probably have to add Mod Podge or something in there just to kind of fill in that spot. But as I said before, I did seal this. The blend is quite beautiful. I'm super happy with the ombre. So now we're just going to go in and we're literally just going to pour the Mermaid Magic where I had the double-sided tape. Okay, and as I always do, I like to rub it in. Okay, so we're just going to keep pouring until I have to refill my bottle, which is now. So we're just going to, again, we're just going to rub that in. This looks absolutely beautiful. All right, so let's get this back into my container. Oops, sorry about that. Okay. Okay, so you can see where my double-sided tape, for whatever reason, did not stick in that section. So I am gonna have to fix that. Not a big deal. I don't mind taking the few minutes to fix one versus all of these lines. That would be insane. And it would definitely take a lot of time. So let me find my brush really quickly. We're just going to pop this extra off. look at that. It's absolutely beautiful. So I wouldn't even begin to know how many lines I actually have, but to have to only fix one, seriously guys, not a big deal. Oh, it looks like I missed one. Oh my. Ooh, it was hidden in there good. All right, so let's get that. Rub that in. So I will fix this one off camera. If anybody has worked with Mod Podge, it's not a big deal. That little tiny line, super, super quick. Add a little bit more of the glitter that we use for the lines, and that's an easy, easy fix. But this ombre technique with those lines for the mosaic design, absolutely stunning because we have... So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. This follows right behind my mosaic tutorial with alcohol inks and double-sided tape. Exact same method. But this one's more fun because we get to use glitter. And we used 4 different types of glitter. So we had Pink Panther. We used Bubbalicious, which I think I called Bubble Clouds. Don't read upside down. It didn't work out. And we used Flamingo, and we used Berry Blast, as well as Mermaid Magic, all from the Glitter Sister. I will have each one of these itemized down in my description below, as well as the tumbler, in which I received from a local dealer who's super, super awesome. So thanks for tuning in, and I cannot wait to see what we do next time. Until then.